If you're running a freelance business, an agency, or a WooCommerce store on WordPress, sending professional invoices directly from your site saves you hours every week. Managing invoices on your WordPress website can be a headache, but not anymore. In this video, we'll show you the top 3 invoice plugins you should be using in 2026. First up, we have Sliced Invoices, a simple yet powerful invoicing plugin for WordPress. It lets you create professional invoices and quotes directly from your dashboard. You can track payments, send reminders, and even accept payments online. Perfect for freelancers and small businesses. Key features: easy invoice and quote creation, payment tracking, custom templates, PayPal and Stripe support. Next, we have Sprout Invoices, a premium solution designed for agencies and professionals. This plugin goes beyond invoicing. It includes client management, estimates, reports, and full automation. It's like having a mini CRM inside WordPress. Client and project management, automated invoices and estimates, payment integrations, detailed reporting. Last, we have WooCommerce PDF Invoices. If you run a WooCommerce store, this plugin is a must-have. It automatically generates PDF invoices, packing slips, and credit notes for every order. You can even attach invoices to emails and let customers download them anytime. Perfect for e-commerce businesses. Key features: auto PDF invoice generation, email attachments, custom templates and branding, customer download option. We also provide WordPress development support, so if you want a WordPress website or blog, you are looking for someone to maintain your WordPress website, hire us at buddydeveloper.com. Subscribe this channel for more update, and thank you for watching.